How do veteran home loan options differ from traditional mortgage options? This is an easy one, but a good one. Let's get after it. AVA Nation, Jeff Newton here with National VA Loans, powered by Stride Bank. Of course, to contact us here, it's 855-956-4040. All right, let's talk about this. How do veteran home loan options differ from traditional mortgage options? Now, keep in mind, I'm coming at this from a bias because I think there's no loan better than the VA home loan. But let's just kind of break it down. Number one, you guys, gosh dang, I'm sure for those that seen these channels and these videos, you've heard me say it a million times, but it's a zero down loan. You don't have to spend months and years saving up down payment for a VA home loan. You can put zero down on the VA loan. It really doesn't get better than that. And that's different than almost every other option out there, whether it comes to a conventional loan, FHA. The only one that has a zero down option is USDA. But of course, that has so many different guidelines that you have to fall within, and where you buy, how much money you make, things like that. The VA loan allows 100% financing with no other qualification other than you served our country, which is pretty damned amazing. All right, number two difference, and again, there's a laundry list of these things, and I'm not going to take up all your time, but the number two difference is no private mortgage insurance. Okay, so I want to stress this. So on your home loan, you're going to have mortgage insurance. And when I say mortgage insurance, it's going to be your homeowner's insurance. It's insurance in case something were to happen to the property. A tornado comes through or the house burns. I mean, I shouldn't probably say that, but house burns down, things like that. That's what the insurance is for. Something gets broken into, something along those lines. So that's what your homeowner's insurance for. Private mortgage insurance is typically on conventional loans, and then FHA also has a mortgage insurance factor as well. And that insurance is in case you were to default on your home loan. The VA does not have that guideline, okay, which is pretty amazing because the VA is securing 25% or guaranteeing 25% of your loan because of your service to our country. It's pretty awesome and something that really sets the VA home loan apart from everyone else. A couple other things, and then we'll just take it slowly. But one other thing is debt to income ratio. The VA has a little bit of more of an expanded guideline when it comes to debt to income ratio, meaning, whereas as conventional loans has a hard 45% or 50% debt to income ratio limit, the VA does not have that limit. Okay. So if it allows you to potentially utilize a little bit more of your income and a little bit more of your money to buy a little bit more house, maybe. And of course, with higher interest rates and things like that, still be able to get the house that you want, even though the interest rates are a little bit higher and the payment may be a little bit more, as long as it's within your budget is the most part. So there are three really big things. Now, of course, when we get into the VA option for the refinance, that's a giant one. It allows for 90% or 100% financing, which means you can utilize all the equity in your home to pay off debt, things like that. That is, gosh dang, guys, that's giant. It also, with this loan, if you have VA disability, if you have any kind of service connected disability, we're allowed to what we call gross it up to where we can increase that just a little bit to help you qualify. One of the other differences on a VA loan that is different than most other loans is they do have residual income guidelines. Of course, to get into that, it does get a little bit deeper. You can give us a call at 855-956-4040. Any of our VA specialists will be able to go through that information with you to kind of get so you can get an idea of what that looks like. But please don't allow that to stop you from moving forward. The biggest difference in this in a VA loan is you've had to have served our country to qualify for this loan. And based on that condition, there's a lot of great benefits to the VA home loan for all of our veterans and active duty service members out there. Guys, to stay up to date with the most current information for VA home loans, check out our YouTube channel at youtube.com/National VA Loans. Of course, if you have any questions or want to go through any of this in more detail, give us a call at 855-956-4040. Any of our VA specialists will will be able to answer any questions that you might have on this. And if you are like me and you just like to get stuff done, check out nationalapplynow.com. Download our simple, secure, easy Stride home mortgage application right to your phone or tablet, and you'll be able to complete everything securely. And for your home loan application, it'll come right to our VA specialist. And then we can either get you qualified for your refinance or get you a pre-qualification for your new home purchase. Again, guys, it's 855-956-4040. Until next time, God bless. Thank you for everything you've done for us and for our country. Take care of yourselves. God bless.